Hi there! Today we have in the house the newly launched Mi QLED TV. Wow, I have no words to express my excitement. So this is the first QLED TV from Xiaomi, and for those who don't know what's a QLED TV, it's essentially an LED TV but with a quantum dot filter between the LED backlight and the LCD layer, which helps produce better colors and brighter images compared to regular LED TVs. If you are still confused, it's better than regular LED TVs in every way. Simple. It comes packed with a lot of new features. We have the latest Android TV 10 OS, Dolby Vision and HDR10 support, and finally the mute option on the remote. Can't wait to see it. So let's unbox it, let's see what's inside, we'll check out that new display and share my initial impressions. I'll reserve a full review for a later video when I've actually used this for a couple of days. Seems fair. Alright, if this is your first time here, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend TechSing. Let's get started. So right in the center of the box, it's printed QLED in bold along with Mi TV Q1 55-inch. At the bottom, it's mentioned Patchwall, Netflix, YouTube, Prime Videos, Android TV, 4K QLED TV, Dolby Vision, HDR10, Google Assistant, Chromecast and Reality Flow. Wow, that's everything you could ask for. On the side, Android TV and Made in India. Further down is the MRP, the contents of the box and manufacturing details. On the top of the box, it clearly mentions do not open the package yourself, let the engineer come and install it for you or else it would void the warranty. Time to unbox it. 1, 2, 3. So here are the contents of the box. You have some paperwork, guide on how to handle the TV, how to not handle the TV, instruction guide of how to set it up basically. So here are two stands, and the best part is for the first time with any Mi TV we get metal stands. Yes, these are metal stands. They're made of really good quality. They have wonderful nice powder coating. They look pretty premium. At the base you can see there's rubber, so they get a good grip on the table. Here are the screws to mount the stands, and finally the Mi TV remote. So this is a pretty standard Bluetooth Mi TV remote, absolutely the same as you've seen on the previous Mi TVs. You have the power button. Now this is also a quick wake button and a power button, the Google Assistant, the D-pad to navigate, the Mi button is for Patchwall, back button, Android button, the two favorite shortcut keys, Netflix and Prime Videos, and the volume key. Yes, there is also a mute option which I shall show you in the video, so keep watching. The only thing that's missing is a wall mounting bracket which you have to buy separately when the engineer comes to install the TV. So finally I wall mounted the TV, and as you can see the display is protected by a cardboard sheet to prevent damage. Let's have a look at the design. The sides and top are almost bezel-less. Extremely slim, I'd say. It has metal metallic edge making it look premium. It has design by Xiaomi etched on the right bezel. You can see the Mi branding on the bottom bezel. Also, the new QLED TV is a lot slimmer compared to its previous 4X series. The back has a completely new design, Mi branding in the center. Ports are towards the side and back. On the side are 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports and 1 3.5 headphone jack. Finally, all HDMI ports are HDMI 2.1, which means much faster transfer than the previous 2.0. And secondly, HDMI 2 supports eARC, so better audio fidelity as well. On the back are Ethernet, optical, AV composite and antenna. And now we have the optical audio output instead of the coaxial SPDIF, which I think is an extremely good decision as most soundbars and home theater systems support optical. Alright, let's have a quick glance at the specifications. We have a new chip, it's a MediaTek 64-bit quad-core CPU, 4K VA panel with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, 2 GB RAM and 32 GB storage. Wow, 32 GB, so you don't have to worry about free space anymore. Dolby Vision and HDR10 support, MEMC support, which means motion enhancement, motion compensation for buttery smooth videos. Mi Quick Wake, so you can turn off and turn on your TV instantly. 30-watt sound output with 6 drivers, 4 woofers and 2 tweeters should sound really good. And finally, Android TV 10, the latest Android TV build. So turning it on and we're greeted with the Android animation. The setup process is fairly simple. Connect to Wi-Fi and follow the instructions and you should be done in a couple of minutes. So we are ready and booted. we have the Android TV OS interface, the app row on the top, and the content row below. Let's see the Android version number. There you go, we have the latest Android TV 10. Okay, first thing that grabs my attention is the colors of the icons really pop. The reds and blues are brilliant. So do the thumbnails below. Lovely. Let's check out Patch Wall. Oh wow, the full screen carousel looks gorgeous. The gamut of colors that you can see on a QLED display is stellar. Frankly, I'm not sure if it's possible for you to see the colors it's producing when recorded on a camera, but trust me, it looks amazing. So for those who don't know, Patch Wall is a content-based interface which has content from multiple OTT platforms like Prime Videos, ZEE5, Eros Now, and many more. They are beautifully showcased in tile-like format. Patch Wall is running smoothly without any lag or stutter. Alright, coming back to the Android TV interface, it's snappy, it's responsive and smooth. Let's check out the app launcher. You have Netflix, Prime Videos, YouTube pre-installed, Google Play Store to download more apps. You also have Miracast to mirror your Android phone to the smart TV. Shall check it out in just a moment. And finally, now you can mute the Mi TV by double pressing the volume down button twice. And there you go, it's muted. Now if you press the volume button up or down again, it will unmute. I can't tell you how much I've been waiting for this one. I think most older TVs will also get this mute feature, and the best part is you won't even need to change the remote for that. Double press the volume button and mute. Perfect. The Mi Quick Wake feature also makes a comeback from the Horizon Edition. Press the power button to turn off, press it again, and the device will wake up in a couple of seconds. Super easy. Let's play a video on YouTube. Now this is a 4K HDR video. It's streaming at full 4K without any problem. The color reproduction is really good. This is a whole new world of colors that will open with this QLED TV. Vivid and punchy. The panel also gets bright enough for you to see the detail in the images, and even the blacks really stand out. The Mi QLED TV also supports a new video codec, AV1. Now AV1 is a fairly new codec that even Netflix uses and is faster than H.264. That means it uses lesser data while offering the same quality for 4K videos. If you go to the stats for nerd option in a YouTube video that supports AV1, you can see that the codec option shows AV1. So lesser data consumption with better output. Amazing. The display supports 60Hz refresh rate and videos play super smooth. Now there is a reason this video is playing so smoothly. The Reality Flow engine or the MEMC is turned on. If you go to the settings in the picture, you can see that the motion smoothness is turned on to standard by default. MEMC basically makes videos run smoother by adding frames in between. Frankly, I enjoyed so much that going back to a TV without MEMC will be really hard. It's ideal for watching sports content, documentaries and music videos. It's a visual delight. Trust me, seeing is believing. It has a 30-watt sound output, which if you see might not be a lot considering there are other TVs that have more. But these are good sounding speakers. They get loud enough, and the best part is their audio fidelity. They sound really nice. Clean bass, crisp highs and amazing mids. For most users, the audio experience will be excellent. The Mi QLED TV also supports Dolby Vision and HDR10. Disney Hotstar has a lot of Dolby Vision content now like Mandalorian, Endgame, and the collection is growing. Here is a video demo. You can see the new Dolby Vision logo on the top right when the video starts. Also tested HDR10 on Prime Videos and it worked really great. Briefly tested other OTT apps like Netflix too, and it played flawlessly. Netflix has never disappointed. Let's talk about Miracast. Now the reason I believe a lot of people prefer it over Chromecast, which also this TV has, is that Miracast works without a Wi-Fi connection and also with lesser lag. Let's connect and see. There you go, we've mirrored it, and this is one of the best mirroring experience I've had on a TV in a very long time. There is almost literally no lag at all. Unbelievable. You can see that. You can see I'm scrolling. It works smoothly. Let's mirror a video and see. There you go. My God, that's so smooth. Since this is an Android TV, we also have built-in Chromecast. I've tested it a couple of times and it worked really well. The Wi-Fi connection was also stable without any disconnecting issues. It supports dual band MIMO Wi-Fi, which means multiple in, multiple out, so basically better connection with your Wi-Fi router, and I did notice an improvement in performance. It also has Bluetooth 5.0, so you can connect your favorite pair of Bluetooth headphones and enjoy music wirelessly. Now, one thing I have to say, Xiaomi takes feedback from its users and fans very seriously. We asked for more internal memory, we got 32 GB. HDMI eARC, done. Optical audio out, done. 3.5 headphone jack on a 55-inch Mi TV, done. Mute on the remote, done. Frankly, I'm really impressed. However, there is still a lot more I'd like to cover in detail, but surely I'll do that in my full review next week. So make sure you're subscribed if you aren't. But just in my initial impressions, I can say that Xiaomi has hit a home run. Excellent QLED TV display, feature packed with the latest Android TV 10, all the apps you're going to need, Dolby Vision and HDR10, and a really good sounding sound output. If you're in the market looking for a QLED TV, then the Mi QLED TV is definitely worth considering. At the time of making this video, we don't know the price and availability, so you'll find the details for both, including the purchase link for the Mi QLED TV in the description. I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.